Dell Technologies provide essential infrastructure for organizations to build their digital future, as well as to protect their most important asset, which is their information. My name is Pranay Jaiswal, and I'm the Director of Process Mining at Dell Digital. And as a larger organization, we support about 2,800 applications, churning about 230 plus petabytes of information. We strive for being the most process efficient company on the planet. So at Dell Digital, we bring process mindset in everything that we do, starting from process mining to our automation solutions in the form of RPA and OCR, to chatbots and other digital transformation technologies. With Celonis, we really wanted to lay down the foundation, starting from our opportunity management in SFDC to config price coding, which we call it CPQ, to our homegrown applications in DSA, and then from order till cash. The whole intent was to really look at the cycle time and be able to say from the time we got an opportunity till the time we get cash from the same customer, do we really understand the business process and do we really understand the cycle time associated with it? We brought in thousands of sales reps from our EMC merger. We have about 43,000 sales reps globally, and we had been working on one of the biggest transformative efforts in providing a single sales platform for all our sales reps. We are working on a massive goal of giving 500,000 hours back to our sales reps. So let me tell you more about our data-driven sales strategy. We started with our first step, which was harvesting transactional activities from our Dell sales tools, and then layering that information on top of our other dimensions like customer, product, geographies, and that really helps us in identifying the process end to end. The biggest insights that we're trying to get out of our sales process is how much time they actually spend in quoting and ordering with our customers. And if we introduce new tools and new tool sets, how is our adoption looks like? Our CPQ process is fairly complex. We generate about 1.5 million unique sales activity per day. And we needed an enterprise level solution that could handle that complexity. And we're really glad that we found Celonis and Splunk to work best with our needs. And they were able to really handle the complex use case that we were at Dell. So the biggest problem we were facing when we were on this journey is that we never really stored any transactional information. And we knew that Celonis works brilliantly when you have a data source or database to source information from. In this instance, we never really had any database. So we had to figure that thing out first. And that was our biggest challenge, is we don't even store this information anywhere. How do we get that data moved into a relationship database to be able to send that to Celonis? And that's when we realized that Splunk is the best fit for this use case, because we already have this data in Splunk. We are already one of the biggest users of Splunk, and Splunk actually helped us in parsing that data into a more structured format that we used it to power Celonis. With our Celonis and Splunk solution, we now have an end-to-end process visualization done for sales. And it is driving amazing insight. We are looking at processes on a daily basis across geographies, across product lines. So with this process mining capability, we can actually be more predictive, be more smarter in our processes. Execution is everything. It's not just enough to understand your business process, but to actually take action. We wanted to drive push communications to our sales reps during end of quarter when our quotes are getting expired. And we are actively using smart triggers to drive those communications to the sales reps. It's not just about discovering a sales process or mapping a sales process. The true value comes when you actually connect multiple processes together. We really wanted to give a predictive trigger into our supply chain where our machine learning workbench can detect when a large quote can be converted into an order, and our supply chain can be prepared for it. And this capability never existed before. Our CPQ solution has received amazing feedback from both our business as well as IT senior executives. Celonis hits the sweet spot where it can detect your process, it can drive towards an automated root cause and then provides smart triggers to really automate your business process. I am very excited about our rest of the year's roadmap as well as next year. Very specifically, we are working on our digital connected experience. Our vision is to be able to track our customer lifecycle and how they are interacting with Dell, and really looking at how our customers are interacting on Dell.com or Premiere or our sales support side. So I'm truly very excited about the journey that we are on with Celonis and Splunk.